He was in leadership positions and active working in the kids ministry, the youth ministry, the music ministry for at least 10 years that I was there. I think that parents have a right to know so that they can have an important discussion with their kids. Did something happen that made you uncomfortable? Without knowing what questions to ask as a parent, kids will keep things to themselves. We practically begged him to make an announcement publicly, to talk to parents so that they would know. Over and over again, just say, an accusation has been made, please talk to your kids. I took it upon myself to notify everyone that I had contact information for, to put it out on my Facebook, to say, hey, if you know anybody whose kids may have been in a compromising position with this guy, please let them know. Notify people to talk to their kids. Just mentioning it to a couple of people or sending an email to a couple of people is not the same as making a widespread announcement. All the parents whose kids were there over a 10-year period of time deserve to know that this is a possibility. We'd been there for 10 years. My children got saved and baptized in that church. I had worked there for 6 or 7 years. I've been on staff, and that was our life. And then to find out that I wasn't, worthy enough to know the truth about what was going on in my kids' lives, and then the denial after that was that's just too much.